In this video, we will show you how to install DejaOffice from the App Store on your iPhone. First, we will locate the blue and white A that is the App Store icon on the device. After opening the App Store, we look to the bottom corner for our search icon. We will tap the search icon and enter in DejaOffice. We see our logo here, so we select and choose to install and then choose Open. Allow DejaOffice access to continue. We will leave the first options on the default selections of full Featured CRM mode and DejaOffice CRM style. Then you will choose your preferred sync method. You can choose to sync with Apple Contacts here. At the end of the wizard, you will see the option Done. Selecting that takes us to the home screen of the app. If we choose Release Notes, you can access our helpful DejaOffice Classroom online guide to the app features from the link at the bottom. Thank you for watching our video on how to install DejaOffice on your iPhone. Please click like and subscribe.